getting bored of this crap. Every single day, it's the same crap every day. Why aren't you in the new Sonic the Hedgehog 4 game? I don't know. Well, I'm not in Act 1 so far, but maybe, like, Part 2 or whatever you call it. Hey, wait, where'd my Pringles go? I'm gonna stop listening to this crap. So yeah. I just wonder where my Pringles is. Yeah, this is a good Pringles! Who was that? Okay, who was that person? This is some good things. Some Pringles and Halo 3. Halo 3? Pringles? Those are mine! Yeah, boy! I love my Pringles. Cause I'm fat! Alright, that's it. I'm going to... Sorry, I'm just so angry. Like, you can get more downstairs. You will. Hey, I'm not done with you. What the? What the? I win all the time, cause I'm Toad. I'm like the best person here. Yeah! What the? What did I tell you about swearing? Oh, don't attack. Don't make me attack. You're like a football. Ow! That's it. Gotta get out of here. You dare hit me? Not only one strike, but two strikes. What? There you are. You'll never find me here. You probably think I'm still inside. Toad! Hi, Shadow. Hey, what kind of gun is it? I call it... Oh, what kind of gun is this? Well, I'm not sure, but I call it the Big Bertha. Okay? So the Big Bertha does this, Toad. Just lock it, and... What are you looking at?